Want a simple, natural way to boost your oral health? You might be surprised how easy it is to make your own mouthwash using just clove and salt. Two ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Hey everyone! If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back to BodyBite Insights. Most store-bought mouthwashes are full of chemicals and artificial colors. If you want to avoid harsh additives, there's a better way. Clove and salt have been trusted for centuries for oral care. Cloves contain eugenol, a natural antiseptic, and salt helps neutralize bacteria and soothe gums, making this mouthwash is quick, affordable, and gentle enough for daily use. Ready to try it? Grab your ingredients and let's get started on a healthier, fresher smile, naturally. But before diving into the subject, I have a quick favor to ask you. If you haven't already, please smash that subscribe button for more awesome content like this. Your support means the world to us and we truly appreciate every single one of you. Why clove and salt? These two simple ingredients have been trusted for generations, but their benefits go far beyond what most people realize. Clove is a powerhouse for oral health. It is a natural anesthetic and antiseptic that numbs pain, fights bacteria, and even helps reduce inflammation in your gums. People have used cloves for centuries to relieve toothaches, freshen breath, and maintain oral hygiene in a natural way. Salt, especially sea salt, is another hero in the world of natural oral care. A saltwater rinse soothes sore gums, reduces swelling, and creates an environment where bad bacteria struggle to survive. These two form a dynamic duo. Clove targets pain and bacteria, while salt cleanses, soothes, and helps restore balance in your mouth. Not only does this combo mask bad breath, it also tackles the root causes, helping us achieve lasting freshness and a healthier smile. Again, naturally. The warm, spicy flavor of clove and the gentle cleansing of salt make this rinse pleasant to use, turning oral care into a soothing ritual. Traditional medicine has trusted these ingredients for generations, valuing their safety and effectiveness. It's time to bring this ancient wisdom back into your daily routine and experience the benefits firsthand. Let's see how to make it step by step, so you can enjoy a fresher, cleaner mouth every day. Your mouth will feel the difference and you'll love the natural results. Making your own mouthwash at home is surprisingly easy and only takes a few minutes. Here's what you'll need to get started. 1 teaspoon of whole cloves, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of fresh, clean water. These simple ingredients are all you need for a natural, effective rinse. Pour the water into a small pot, add the cloves, and bring everything to a gentle boil over medium heat. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer for 10 minutes. This process helps release the cloves' natural oils and benefits. After simmering, let the mixture cool until it's just lukewarm. Then carefully strain out the cloves using a fine mesh strainer. Add the salt to the warm clove water and stir thoroughly until it's completely dissolved. The salt boosts the mouthwash's cleansing power. That's it. Your homemade natural mouthwash is ready to use and free from artificial chemicals. To use, simply swish a small sip in your mouth for about 30 seconds, making sure it reaches all areas, then spit it out. Gargle to reach the back of your throat if you like, especially if you want extra freshness. Use this rinse once or twice a day, after brushing your teeth or before heading to bed for best results. Since it's preservative-free and all natural, make a fresh batch every few days to keep it effective and safe. Store your mouthwash in a sealed container at room temperature, away from direct sunlight. Enjoy the clean, fresh feeling and the confidence that comes with natural oral care. This simple recipe fits easily into any daily routine, whether you're at home or on the go. With regular use, you'll notice fresher breath, healthier gums, and a brighter smile. Natural care can be this easy. Give it a try and experience the difference for yourself. How does homemade mouthwash compare to store-bought? With DIY, you know exactly what's inside. Just cloves, salt, and water. No alcohol, no artificial colors, no synthetic flavors. Commercial mouthwashes often contain alcohol, dyes, and preservatives that can irritate your mouth. Homemade rinse works gently, supporting your oral microbiome and soothing your gums. Store-bought options can be harsh, sometimes killing good bacteria and causing dryness. Taste is another win for homemade. Natural, warm, and spicy, not overpowering. And the cost? A few dollars worth of ingredients makes many batches. Store-bought mouthwash is pricier over time. The choice is clear, natural, affordable, and effective. Take control of your oral care. Your smile deserves it. The biggest advantage of DIY mouthwash? What it doesn't have. It's alcohol-free so it won't dry out your mouth or cause burning. Saliva is your body's natural defense. Don't strip it away. No artificial colors or flavors, just pure natural ingredients. Clove and salt clean effectively without harshness. Commercial mouthwashes can disrupt this balance, but natural options support it. Your gums and teeth will thank you. Simple, safe, and effective. That's the power of nature. Use your homemade mouthwash wisely. Once or twice a day is enough. It's a supplement, not a replacement for brushing and flossing. If you're new to Clove, do a patch test to check for allergies. Pregnant women, breastfeeding moms, and young children should consult a doctor before use. This rinse is great for daily care and minor issues, but not for serious dental problems. Persistent pain or bleeding? See your dentist. Don't use mouthwash to mask bigger issues. Try this recipe for a week and notice the difference. We truly hope you loved this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that bell icon and subscribe for more inspiring natural health tips coming your way. Share your journey in the comments and let's help each other achieve brighter, healthier smiles together. Stay positive, keep smiling, and we'll see you next time on BodyBite Insights.